Pension capital has been projected as one of the major contributors towards growing local capital. Local capital is a niche for growing investment.
Africa's pension capital is growing at an extremely fast rate, and I believe that the time is now for pension capital to invest or participate alongside private equity, meaning they can either invest into a fund or they can invest alongside a fund in the same way they invest in the stock market, in the same way they invest in treasury bills or in corporate papers, etc. Private equity would just become an alternative asset where they could also place their money. I think one of the keys to opening that up is for fund managers to have
Uncertainty and short livelihood of businesses has often hindered investors from venturing into small and medium companies. It nevertheless takes effort and determination to access investment incentives, as Noni Wanjihia, the Executive Director of East African Venture Capital, reiterates.
There are several investors who have the risk appetite to invest in SMEs. I think the SMEs could do a lot of their homework by looking at who these investors are, trying to figure out what their criteria is, trying to figure out the sectors of interest. But also there are several intermediaries like boutique investment banks, corporate finance advisors, and various transaction advisors and legal experts who can also give SMEs a lot of advice about how to access these types of investments.
Investment is one of the key development driving forces. However, for Uganda to witness financial turnover, there is a need to empower local investors so as to realize the different goals, such as that of achieving the middle income status. Nancy Okwong, WBS Business, Kampala.